Good morning children. Welcome to another class of Science Lab. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter Super Senses. As you all are aware that we have 5 different sense organs to sense various things around us. Similarly, animals also have senses, but many of them have developed particularly keen senses to match their specific survival needs. We will discuss about the hibernation and estivation. Hibernation. Have you ever noticed that lizards, rodents are usually not visible during winter season? These animals go for long sleep in their burrows during winter season. This is because they are not able to cope up with the cold weather outside. Such a long sleep of animals during winter season is known as hibernation. They do not remain hungry during that period as they store fats in their bodies, which they utilize during their hibernation. Some animals also store food in their burrows and to eat during the hibernation period. Estivation. Some animals which cannot withstand hot summers also go for long summer sleep. This disappearance of animals during summers, that is in hot, dry condition, is called estivation. A fish called lungfish burrows itself in mud, which stops its body losing too much water by evaporation. Okay, now explanation part has been done. Now we'll do the activities. So children, now I'm going to show you an activity on hibernation, and for this, doing this activity, I have taken 2 bowls in which it has ice cold water. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a fat or a blubber, which is going to show that the animals having the fat in their body protects them against the or they conserve the energy Now how I'm going to prove this, like I'll dip my hand in the icy cold water and I'll take the other hand also. I'll take my hand, bare hand, and I'll put this also. Now let me see how I'm able to put this hand for how long. Okay, just have a look. Oh, that's it. Now I'm feeling very cold in this, but you can see this hand is still in the water. Still I am able to put my hand in this, but this hand got so chilly. Still I am able to put my hand in this. Now which shows that the fat in this or the fat in the animal body actually manipulates a mammal's blood vessels to help it stay warm. Blubber is more dense packed with blood vessels than a typical layer of fat, and when the temperature drops, the blubber constricts those blood vessels to reduce the blood flow in the animal. By doing that, the animal spends less energy heating its own body, ultimately keeping the animal warmer without burning through energy as quickly during hibernation. I hope you have understood this activity and try this doing at home.